Ever picked a major just because it sounded cool, only later to realize that you probably should have checked the salary first?
Yep, it happens. But what if I told you you could still make good money, even with a low-paying degree?
Today we're breaking down 10 degrees that don't often lead to high-paying salaries. But don't panic. We'll show you how to combine them with digital marketing and social media marketing skills to make them profitable careers.
A theology degree is great if you love religion, philosophy, and ethics. You could specialize in world religions, pastoral work, or counseling.
How to make it profitable? Start a YouTube channel reviewing religious topics. Build an email list and sell digital products like devotionals. Offer paid online Bible study courses. Creative careers like acting, dancing, graphic design are passion-driven but financially unstable.
How to make it profitable? Start a TikTok or Instagram. Sell prints or teach art classes online. Monetize through Patreon or YouTube ads. Offer branding and content design services for businesses. Social workers and policy analysts help communities, but pay isn't great.
How to make it more profitable? Start a blog or a YouTube channel about social issues. Create online courses for organizing community. Offer consulting for nonprofits. Teachers deserve better pay, but if you love education, there are ways to increase your earnings.
How to make it profitable? Start a YouTube channel helping students prepare for exams. Sell lesson plans to other teachers online. Offer private tutoring or group coaching. Love books? That's great, but library jobs don't pay much.
How to make it profitable? Start a book reviewing YouTube channel. Monetize with Amazon affiliate links for book recommendations. Launch an online book club with paid memberships. Liberal arts degrees teach broad critical thinking and communication skills, but job options can be pretty vague.
How to make it profitable? Start a podcast on critical thinking and communication. Offer writing courses or public speaking coaching. Freelance as a consultant in communication or leadership. Psychology can be fascinating, but unless you go for advanced degrees, you may struggle to make money with just your bachelor's degree.
How to make it profitable? Start a mental health awareness TikTok or Instagram. Sell online courses on topics like mental health or stress management. Create a podcast or YouTube channel about psychology or mental health. English majors are excellent at writing and analyzing literature, but many of them struggle to find high-paying jobs without additional skills.
How to make it profitable? Offer freelance copywriting services for businesses. Build a YouTube channel for book reviews, monetized with affiliate links. Teach writing workshops or online writing courses. History degrees are great for research, but history majors need additional skills to break into higher paying jobs.
How to make it more profitable? Start a history YouTube channel or podcast. Write ebooks or create digital content based on historical research. Partner with tourism companies to provide specialized historical tours or workshops. Social sciences give you an in-depth understanding into politics, human behavior, and society.
How to make it profitable? Run a podcast focused on political analysis or human behavior. Monetize with sponsorships and ad revenue. Create online courses about social issues, politics, or research methods.
So, should you chase passion or paycheck? Why not both? If you pair your degree with digital marketing skills, you can make money doing what you love.
At Ensign College, you can complement nearly any degree with a certificate in content creation, social media marketing, digital marketing. Learn how to monetize your skills, build a personal brand, and create real opportunities. Click the link below to learn more.